Chapter 4 World of Animals. There are many animals around us. Some are big while others are small. Some animals like tiger, lion, wolf, and zebra live in forests. They are known as wild animals. Factopedia. No two zebras have the same type of stripes. Some animals are kept near our homes or farms. We tame them for work or for food. Such animals are called domestic animals. Some animals live at home with us. They are like our friends. They are known as pets. Life skills. We should love our pets and look after them. Food for animals. All living things need food to live and grow. Animals are also living things. Some animals eat flesh of other animals. They are called flesh-eating animals. Tiger, leopard, and lion hunt other animals and eat their flesh. Some animals like cow, giraffe, and goat eat plants and their parts. They are called plant-eating animals. Animals like bear, crow, and dog eat both plants and flesh of animals. Some birds enjoy eating grains and nuts. They are called grain eaters. Some birds, like vultures, eat the flesh of dead animals. They are called flesh eaters. They help to keep our surroundings clean.